everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Celestine. Today I will show you how to draw a little cute girl. I'm really good at it. It's really easy and I want to share it with you. But before we get started, we just need some coloring pens, an A4 blank printer paper, and a pencil. So let's jump into it. This is how I draw a cute girl. So I'm going to start by doing a big round circle and she's going to have curly hair. And now we're going to do the hair, so her hair is pretty long. Stop there. And then we're going to start doing the body and the hair is going to join in. So I'm going to do the eyes and the nose and the mouth, and I'm going to start doing the neck and the clothes she's wearing. Now I'm gonna start doing her legs. And it's really simple, so I'm going to do the shoes. And if you want, you can put a flower or a butterfly, anything. There. And her t-shirt. Or if you want, you can make her have like a necklace, anything. And now I'm going to start coloring her. And now I'm going to color in the t-shirt. And I'm going to do the skirt, which is colored blue. The shoes are going to be brown, or you can put them into different colors like black or pink. For the skin color, I'm going to do it like peachish, beige. For watching and being with me today. I hope you enjoyed. Keep drawing and being creative. And watch out for my next exciting videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!